In this word sort, you'll be practicing the short O, ah sound in the middle of words. OP makes the op family, OT makes the ot family, and OG makes the og family. So checking out our pieces, the first one we have is a picture of a cot, and the word cot. A cot is like a portable bed. Next, we have a picture of a balloon with a needle for pop. The balloon is about to pop. This little girl is hot. Then we have a picture of a pot. Here's a picture of a hog. Next is a picture of a mop. Then we have a dot. This little girl is going for a jog. This is a toy top. Then we have frog, log, and last is a little girl who is going to hop. Now that we know what the pieces are, let's begin to sort. Dot, I hear the ot at the end, so it's going to go in the OT, ot family. Pop, I hear the op sound, so it goes in the OP family. Next is hot, I hear the ot sound, so it goes in the OT family. Jog, I hear the og at the end, which means it goes in the OG family. Top, I hear the op, which puts it in the OP, op family. Cot, I hear the ot, which puts it in the OT, ot family. Frog, I hear the og at the end, so it goes in the OG, og family. Log also has the og sound, so it's going to go in the OG family. Pot, I hear the ot, so it goes in the OT, ot family. Hop is my next piece, and I hear the op sound, so it's going to go in the OP, op family. Hog, I hear the og, so it goes in the OG family. And last, mop, I hear the op sound, so it goes in the OP, op family. So checking out our pieces, in the OP family, we have pop, top, mop, and hop. In the OT ot family, we have dot, hot, cot, and pot. In the OG og family, we have jog, frog, log, and hop.